Fight uric acid naturally, the 9 vitamins you can't ignore. Welcome, wellness warriors. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to your go-to channel for holistic well-being. If you're looking to optimize your health and tackle issues like high uric acid naturally, you're in the right place. We all know that excess uric acid can lead to conditions like gout, causing severe pain, swelling, and inflammation, especially in the joints. But what if I told you that the right vitamins and minerals could help regulate uric acid levels, promote kidney function, and reduce inflammation? Today, we'll dive into 6 essential vitamins and minerals that can support your body in maintaining healthy uric acid levels. Let's get started. 1. Vitamin C, the uric acid regulator. Vitamin C helps lower uric acid by boosting kidney excretion and reducing inflammation. As a powerful antioxidant, it prevents oxidative stress linked to gout flare-ups. Regular intake can reduce uric acid buildup, lowering the risk of joint pain. To get enough, eat oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis, or consider supplements. Beyond uric acid control, vitamin C strengthens immunity, supports collagen production, and improves overall health. Make it a daily habit for lasting benefits. 2. Vitamin E, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both major contributors to gout and high uric acid levels. By protecting cells from damage, it supports joint health and may alleviate gout symptoms. This fat-soluble vitamin also strengthens immunity, promotes heart health, and enhances skin repair. Get your daily dose from almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Supplements can help if dietary intake is insufficient. Adding vitamin E to your routine not only aids in uric acid management but also boosts overall well-being. Stay consistent for long-term benefits. 3. Magnesium, the mineral for pH balance. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating pH levels and reducing uric acid buildup, helping to prevent gout attacks. It lowers inflammation, supports kidney function, and promotes uric acid excretion. Additionally, magnesium aids muscle relaxation, strengthens bones, and improves heart health. Foods rich in magnesium include spinach, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If dietary intake is low, supplements can help maintain optimal levels. Ensuring enough magnesium in your diet not only supports uric acid balance but also enhances overall well-being. Make it a daily priority for lasting health benefits. Vitamin D, the bone and immune booster. Vitamin D supports bone health by enhancing calcium absorption while also playing a role in immune regulation. Low levels are linked to higher uric acid and increased gout risk. This essential vitamin may help reduce inflammation and prevent uric acid buildup. Sunlight is the best natural source, but you can also get vitamin D from fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Supplements are useful if exposure or dietary intake is insufficient. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels not only strengthens bones and immunity but also supports overall health and uric acid balance. Stay consistent for lasting benefits. 5. Potassium, the uric acid neutralizer. Potassium helps neutralize uric acid by forming a soluble compound that promotes its excretion through urine, reducing the risk of gout. It also balances fluids, supports kidney function, and prevents crystal buildup in joints. Beyond uric acid control, potassium regulates blood pressure, improves heart health, and strengthens muscles. Bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados are excellent sources. If dietary intake is low, supplements may help. Ensuring adequate potassium levels not only aids in uric acid management but also enhances overall well-being. Make it a daily priority for better health and joint protection. Benben MCC Han. 6. Vitamin B complex, the metabolic support team. The B vitamins work together to support metabolism, energy production, and uric acid regulation. specifically B5, B9, and B12 aid in breaking down and eliminating excess uric acid, reducing gout risk. These essential vitamins also promote nerve function, red blood cell formation, and cardiovascular health. Found in whole grains, eggs, dairy, and leafy greens, they help maintain overall well-being. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, poor circulation, and increased inflammation. Ensuring sufficient intake of B vitamins not only supports metabolic processes but also helps keep uric acid levels in check for a healthier body. 7. Vitamin A, the vision and immune system defender. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth. It is essential for the health of the skin, mucous membranes, and reproductive organs. Vitamin A also helps in the synthesis of proteins and the maintenance of bone health. Found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs, this vitamin boosts your body's defense against infections. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to vision problems, weakened immunity, and skin issues. Regular intake ensures optimal vision, skin health, and a stronger immune system. Vitamin K, the bone health and blood clotting essential. Vitamin K is key for proper blood clotting, helping the body heal from injuries by ensuring blood clot formation. It also plays a significant role in bone metabolism by regulating calcium and supporting the structure of bones. This vitamin is found in green leafy vegetables such as kale and spinach, as well as in broccoli and fish. Deficiency can lead to excessive bleeding and an increased risk of fractures. Ensuring sufficient vitamin K intake promotes optimal bone health and supports the body's ability to heal. 9. Iron, the oxygen transporter. Iron is a vital mineral that plays a key role in producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. This essential process helps deliver oxygen to tissues and organs, supporting overall energy production, brain function, and immune health. Iron is also crucial for muscle function and cell growth. A deficiency in iron can result in fatigue, weakness, pale skin, and a weakened immune system. Iron-rich foods include red meat, poultry, legumes, spinach, and fortified cereals. Ensuring proper iron intake supports optimal oxygen circulation, energy levels, and overall well-being. Essential vitamins and minerals for uric acid management and overall health. Managing uric acid levels is crucial for preventing conditions like gout and kidney issues. Several key vitamins and minerals play an essential role in this process while also contributing to overall health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. It also supports bone health and plays a critical role in kidney function, assisting in the excretion of excess uric acid. A diet rich in potassium can significantly lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. The vitamin B complex, particularly B5 pantothenic acid, B9 folate, and B12 cobalamin, aids in the breakdown and elimination. Vitamin A is essential for immune function, vision, and reducing inflammation. It may help mitigate oxidative stress, which can contribute to high uric acid levels. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone and cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of arterial calcification and maintaining proper blood clotting. Iron is another vital mineral that supports oxygen transport, energy production, and muscle function. While excess iron may contribute to oxidative stress, maintaining balanced levels is essential for overall metabolic health. Ensuring a diet rich in these essential nutrients can help regulate uric acid while promoting optimal health. Stay informed, nourish your body, and subscribe for more valuable health insights. Managing uric acid naturally doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these 9 essential nutrients into your daily diet, you can support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and maintain a healthy balance of uric acid. Remember, eat a balanced, whole food diet. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out uric acid. Reduce high purine foods, red meat, alcohol, processed foods. Exercise regularly to maintain overall metabolic health. If you found this video informative and useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content on health and nutrition. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and insights. We're always here to share science-backed knowledge to help you live a healthier life. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.